You asked for a fork or a spoon, so I got you both.
I said spoon, but you know, they work.
Yeah, so it's like this over.
Anyway, you usually do it right here, but.
Is that going to be your what's it called?
What
the heck?
I don't know what to eat it with.
Oh, these are chopsticks.
That's how you start.
I don't think that's gonna work. What soda did you get? Oh.
What the fuck? Like you said that. I can't say it. What did you say? No.
Tastes like cooked.
You said you look like KFC.
Really?
Because the cookies.
Why would you do that to me?
Oh, sorry. I didn't know I didn't give you Maybe I'm just tripping, but these jalapenos taste awfully sweet.
That's a real job.
I'm so full. Yes, I ate half of it. If you're wondering where we're at Qdoba, which is just like Chipotle but better. I know how unsanitary this is. It's so gross. Stuck it on my head.
How unsanitary could it really be? They're made in a factory and then sent here.
No. I don't know what flavor is it. It's orange. Is it?
Let me taste it first. I haven't even tasted it yet.
Oh really? Is it orange Sprite?
No.
Is it Fanta?
It's Sprite flavored Fanta.
Orange Sprite. I think the Sprite just like has a bad aftertaste right now.
I liked it.
No, like it tastes fine, but just like the other one, it has that weird like no flavor aftertaste in the soda.
I didn't like it.
We got some cats going in the oven. Okay. Oh god, I'm gonna fall. Stop. Oh god.
Welcome to my house. Here we have the stove.
Oh god, you're gonna drop me. Don't drop me. I'm not a cat, I can't land on my feet.
Remember the cat in the hat, you land on your tushy.
Okay, it's rap packed to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all